Hiya naman ako sa inyo, no?
Family game.
Injection, Your Honor.
Pilipinas, it's time for Family Feud. Let's meet our two teams. The Miss World PH Queens. The Circle of Beauty. Please welcome our host, ang ating kapuso, Dingdong Dantes.
Hi. Hello. Hi, Gigi. Gigi. Hello. Isang magandang Lunes ng hapon, mga kapuso. Alam nyo, may taong ayaw sa Lunes dahil balik sa school, back to work, di ba? Pero may mga kilala akong gustong-gusto ang Monday. Alam nyo kung sino? Siyempre kayo, ang mga loyal viewers ng pinakamasayang family game show sa buong mundo ang... Yep! Dahil going strong pa rin ang pagdiriwang natin ng ating 4th anniversary dahil ang Family Feud ay forever. Tama ka dyan. Kaya naman forever sa tawa, forever sa saya, at forever sa ganda. Ang dalawang teams natin ngayon, sila po ang winners sa recent Miss World Philippines 2026 pageant. Unahin na natin ang Miss World PH Queens. At sila magpapakilala sa kanilang sarili. Please go ahead.
Yes, hi everyone. My name is Asia Rose Simpson. I am from Quezon City and I am the Miss World Philippines 2026.
Hello everyone, I am Anne Mesa from the city of Manila and I am your Miss World Philippines first princess.
Hi everyone, my name is Gabrielle Fuentes Galapia. You can call me Gigi. I'm from the province of Pampanga and I'm your Miss World Philippines second princess.
Hello everyone, hello Family Feud. This is Nikki Malabuyok Lorzano, your Miss World Philippines Batangas.
Wow! Ito, trivia about Miss Asia Rose. She's the youngest who has ever won the crown, right? Lady, how do you feel about that, Asia?
Yeah, honestly, it's unreal. People have asked me before in interviews, how do you feel? Are you the youngest? And I always answered, ay, hindi ko alam. I don't know if I am pinakabata or if just one of, but apparently I am the youngest, so that's just incredible to feel. I don't really know how to react. It's so exciting. It's a great blessing.
But one thing is for sure, you'll be in the history books. And maybe let's find out if you'll also be in the history books of Family Feud. And Anne, kamusta naman? Ano yung mga susunod na mga nakaline na para sa inyo dito sa inyong ring?
Well, most of us are gonna compete soon. I'll be competing in Singapore and Malaysia on April 20 and the coronation night will be on April 26. So I'm very excited. But I'm also excited for my sisters because they will also be competing. So I hope you guys will support all of us.
Gigi, saan naman?
I don't have a competition, but I'm very excited also for my sister queens who have their competitions internationally like Anne and everybody else. So let's all look forward to that.
So supportive. Nikki, sa Batangas, maraming nanonood ng Family Feud.
Yes.
Gusto mo ba batiin yung mga friends mo sa Batangas?
Of course, I would like to greet everyone from Batangas, especially from Santo Tomas and San Joaquin, and yung aking mga mama, Mother Claudine and Andre Navarro.
There you go. Thank you. Good luck, Miss World PH Queens. Good luck sa inyo. Ito naman ang inyong worthy opponents, the Circle of Beauty. Ladies, please introduce yourselves.
Hi everyone. I am Javelin Dorejo from Davao Region and now your Miss Tourism International Philippines.
Mabuhay, I am Valerie Pawadues from Ifugao, now your Miss Global Philippines 2026. Hi everyone, my name is Lorraine Ojimba from the province of Rizal. Now your Miss Tourism Queen of the Year International Philippines 2026.
Kalinaw o Kasadya, I am Olivia Grace Riley from the province of Sultan Kudarat.
Your Miss Teen International Philippines 2026.
Yep. Si JV po ay isang flight attendant at ang advocacy niya ay tinatawag niyang Pangga Project. JV, tell us more about it.
So my Panga project is really all about elderly. I'm giving opportunities to the elderly, and it all started from my grandmother because laking lola po ako.
At ang Pangga ay isang Ilonggo.
Bisaya word. It means beloved.
Beloved.
Yeah, that's what my lola used to call me before. Yeah, Panga. or Langga.
Tribute kay Lola. No?
Yes, yes.
That's so awesome. At siyempre, lahat, nabanggit ka, lahat kayo may sasalihan. Valerie, you'll be competing in?
I'll be competing in Thailand as early as October. So I'm really excited to Sawadika. Go
Good luck to you, Valerie. And Lorraine?
I'll be competing in Malaysia on December 2.
Okay, December, end of the year. And of course, Olivia.
I will be competing on India on August.
Uy, medyo mas malapit na yan. Pero bago doon, dito na muna ang competition, alright? Good luck, ladies! At ito na, sino kayang sanay sa competition? Alam ko naman silang lahat. Pero sinasabi ko sa inyo, ibang klase yung bardagulan dito, ha? For 200,000 pesos. So, Asia and JV, let's play round 1. Ladies, kamay sa mesa. Eto na. Top 6 answers are on the board. Sa mga Katoliko, ano raw ang bawal kapag Biyernes Santo or Good Friday? Go. JV,
Kumain ng pork.
kumain ng pork. Nandiyan ba yan? JV, pass your play.
Play!
Let's go play this round. Come on. Valerie, sa Katoliko, ano raw ang bawal gawin kapag Biyernes Santo or Good Friday?
You cannot, commit a crime? Make a sin?
Commit a crime.
Oh, yes.
That's right.
Go lang.
Pwede.
Any crime. Kahit hindi Good Friday. Survey says, wala. Lorraine,
It's okay, babe.
sa mga Katoliko, ano raw bawal gawin kapag Biyernes Santo?
My gosh, ang hirap po. I'm non-Catholic, pero I feel like bawal magmura.
Bawal magbura. Eh, why not? Di ba nandiyan ba? Bawal magbura. Wala rin? How about Miss World PH Queens? Olivia?
Bawal uminom ng alak.
Bawal uminom ng alak? Nandiyan ba yan? Yes. JV, again, sa mga Katoliko, ano raw ang bawal gawin pag Biyernes Santo or Good Friday?
Bawal magsugal.
Bawal din magsugal. Nandiyan ba yan? Wala. Okay, time to steal. Nikki? Sa mga Katoliko, ano daw bawal gawin pag Good Friday?
Oh, this is very challenging. Hindi rin po ako Catholic, but I would like to guess na bawal maligo.
Bawal maligo? O guess na naman, Gigi.
Yeah, same guess. Bawal maligo after a certain period of time.
Bawal maligo rin, Ann?
Bawal magkasala.
Bawal magkasala. Okay. Asia, for Catholics, what is not allowed during Good Friday?
You know, actually, that's really challenging because I'm not Catholic myself, but I think I will go with my sister queens at Gigi and Nikki. Bawal magligo after a certain time.
Bawal maligo. Okay, ang sabi nila ay bawal daw maligo. Tama kaya yan? Survey na, sabi. Miss World PH Queens, they came here to slay. May 78 points na sila, pero siyempre hahabol ang Circle of Beauty dahil may tiwala kami sa inyo, okay? At tiwala rin po ako sa makakakuha ng studio audience ng sagot dito ng 5,000 kayo. Hey, what's your name?
My name is David Joshua Grant, and it's really great to be here.
Wow, and it's great to have you also, David. Ikaw ba'y kumakanta, David?
Well, actually, I do hosting, and I'm also a student in the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, College of Communications.
Net. Ito, isipin mo na lang, ha? Sa mga Katoliko, ano raw ang bawal gawin pag Biyernes Santo Good Friday?
It would be bawal mag-ingay.
Okay. Bawal magingay. 1,000. And because it's our anniversary, here's a special package from Family Feud.
Family Feud.
There you go, there you go.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Family Feud.
All right.
More blessings, more blessings.
Blessing. Anyway, ito po, meron pang dalawa. Number 6. Magtrabaho. Bawal magtrabaho. Number 5. Oo, kasi... Welcome back to Family Feud. It's the battle of the beauty queens today. At syempre, komportable sa unahan at nangunguna ang Miss World PH Queens with 78 points. Kaya babawi daw ang Circle of Beauty this round. At susunod na magtatapat ang accountant na si Ann at ang biomedical engineer from Ifugao na si Valerie. Let's play round 2. Come on. Great, ladies. Kamay sa mesa. There you go. Top 6 answers are on the board. The question is, ano ang pinaka-kinatatakutan mo? Go! Ann. Heights. Survey says? Valerie, what do you fear the most? Death. Kamatayan. Survey says? Top answer. Valerie, pass or play?
Play.
Let's go. Lorraine, ano pinaka-kinatatakutan?
Ipis or mga insekto.
Saan ba ang ibis? Ayun, lumilipad. Ayun, oh. Olivia, ano pinaka-kinatatakutan mo?
Kadiliman or darkness.
Darkness. Kadaliman. Wow! Saan ba yan? Wala. JV, ano pinaka-kinatatakutan mo?
Momo! Monster. Ghost. Lahat.
Momo or Muto. That's a survey. Yep. Valerie, what do you fear the most?
Failure.
Yes, good answer.
In Tagalog, pagkasablay. Sablay. Nandiyan ba yan, survey? Wala. Lorraine, what do you fear the most? Sa pinaka-kinatatakutan mo?
Takot akong maiwan.
Maiwan ang bus.
Hindi po, maiwan, like maiwan ang minamahal.
Maiwan ang minamahal. Nandiyan ba yan?
Sayang.
Nikki.
From my personal fear at alam kong marami rin takot dito, sasabihin ko, gagamba.
Gagamba, Gigi. Pinaka-kinatatakutan mo?
Being betrayed.
Being betrayed. Ito, pinaka-kinatatakutan mo?
Fiko kadiliman. Darkness.
Asia, what do you fear the most?
Gagamba.
Spiders or gagamba? Arachnophobia. Fear of spiders. Survey na sabihan. Wala. Rain ang rain na talaga ang parehong teams kasi the Miss World PH Queens, they have 78. A Circle of Beauty, may 55 points na kayo. At may mga answers sa board pa hindi pa nakukuha. Kaya studio audience, kayo naman ang may chance. Hi. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Lilian po.
There we go. Ano ang pinaka-kinatatakutan mo?
Ahas po.
Ahas na tao o ahas na...
Ayop po.
Ha? Hayop. So hayop din yung tao? Na ahas? Hindi. Nandyan ba ang ahas? Yo! There you go. Congratulations. You got what? Whoop! May regalo pa para sa'yo galing sa Family Feud. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much po, Family Feud, and happy 40th anniversary!
And we got 2 more. Number 6. What is number 6?
Mawala ng pera.
Mawala ng pera. And number 5. And we are back here on Family Feud. May salpukan ng 2 teams of beauty queens. Leading po Miss World PH Queens na may 78 points habang ang Circle of Beauty ay may 55 points. Ang susunod na maglalaban ay ang musician-songwriter na si Gigi at ang Filipino-Nigerian model na si Lorraine. Let's play round 3. Come on. Good luck, ladies. Kamay sa mesa. Top 6 answers are on the board. Sa grocery, name something na nabibili in powdered form. Lorraine.
Gatas.
Gatas. Nandiyan ba ang gatas? Top answer. Lorraine, pass or play?
Play.
Alright, let's go. Gigi, balik mo na. Olivia,
Yes.
sa grocery, something na nabibili in powder form.
Flour.
Flour? Harina. Nandiyan ba ang flour or harina? Wala. Kailan ka huli na grocery, JB?
Yesterday, that's my stress reliever.
That's great. Ano pa yan nabibili in powdered form sa grocery?
Laundry detergent.
Detergent. Nandiyan ba yan? Pwede? Valerie, sa grocery, something na nabibili in powdered form.
Formula. Like baby formula.
Oh, it's already
Ay, bata.
there. Gatas, it's the same. It's the same. Okay? Ayan na, naghahadal na. Lorraine again. Sa grocery, something na nabibili in powdered form.
Juice.
Juice! Yeah, mga juice. Survey says? Olivia. Something na nabibili in powdered form sa grocery.
Powdered form.
Yeah.
Baby powder?
Oo nga, no? Pulbos! Hindi mismong pulbos. Nandiyan ba ang pulbos? Yep. Sige. JB, sa grocery, something na nabibili in powdered form.
Sugar?
Sugar, why not? Nandiyan ba ang sugar? Yun, isa na lang. Valerie, you got this. You like going to the
I
grocery.
love going to the grocery store. Maybe not after this though.
Just imagine, di ba? Halos lahat nandiyan na in powdered form.
Okay, I'm in
So,
the aisle.
something na nabibili in powdered form. Valerie.
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
Pwede?
Pwede.
Cornstarch, nandiyan ba ang cornstarch? Wala. Ready? Ready? You ready? Nikki, ano?
Siguro matcha.
Matcha. Mahilig ka sa matcha.
Yes.
Sa grocery, nabibili in powdered form, Gigi.
Spices.
Yeah.
Like garlic powder.
Garlic powder,
Yeah.
curry, etc. And
Coffee.
coffee. Are you a coffee drinker?
No.
Oh, no. Kayo, none of
Yeah.
you drink coffee. Asia?
Yeah, me and Anne had the same idea. I think it's a staple. We're gonna go with coffee.
Coffee.
Powdered coffee.
Something na nabibili in powdered form. Lalo na mga barakong kape, di ba, Nikki?
Yes.
Kapeng barako, no?
Barako.
Nandyan ba ang coffee? We'll see.
Yes! Andyan!
We'll find out sa pagbabalik ng Family Feud. Nagbabalik po ang Family Feud. Quick shoutout muna sa mga mahal nating viewers na nakatira po dyan po sa Limay, Bataan at Buluan, Maguindanao del Sur. Thank you for your unwavering support. Kanina, bago tayo nag-break, tinanong natin ang Miss World PH Queen sa grocery. Name something na nabibili in powdered form. Sabi niyo ay kape. Kung tama to, sobra na yung lead yun. Nandiyan ba ang kape? Narito ang score after 3 rounds, leading ang Miss World PH Queens, 272, Circle of Beauty 55. Pero may huling tapatan pa tayo. Ang nature lover na si Nikki at ang youth representative na si Olivia. Let's play the final round. Come on. There you go. Good luck, ladies. Kamay sa mesa, please. Top 4 answers are on the board. Name something na ayaw mong makitang gumagapang o nakadapo sa nakasampay mong underwear. Nikki.
Ipis.
Ibis. Nandiyan ba ang ibis? Pwede ba mas mataas, Olivia? Again, ha? Name something na ayaw mong makitang gumagapang o nakadapo sa nakasampay mong underwear. Answer. Naabutan ng time, sorry. Nikki, pass or play?
Play, of course.
Let's go. Final round ito. Final round. Asia, something, okay? Something you don't want to see crawling on top of your underwear.
A mouse.
A mouse. Okay, nandyan ba yung daga? Walaan. Something na ayaw mo makitang gumagapang o nakadapo. Eto, nakasampay. Sa nakasampay mong underwear.
Langaw.
Langaw. Nandyan ba langaw? Pwede. Gigi, something na ayaw mo makitang gumagapang o nakadapo sa nakasampay mo underwear?
A worm.
Worm.
Yeah,
Nandiyan
worm.
ba ang worm? Oh my God. Nikki, isa na lang. For the win. Something na ayaw mo makitang gumagapang o nakadapo doon sa nakasampay mong underwear.
Feeling ko mapapatili ako pag may nakadapong butike.
Butike! Nandiyan ba ang butike? Wala. One more chance, Asia. Ano kaya ito?
A mosquito?
Mosquito.
It's better to say something than nothing.
Mosquito. Lamok. Survey says, wala. Eto na. Ito top answer to. So ibig sabihin, marami nakaisip ito. Something na ayaw mo makitang gumagapang o dumadapo sa nakasampay mong underwear, Olivia.
Spider?
Spider, Lorraine.
For option lang po, feeling ko langgam kasi ang sakit nun, Kuya Dom.
Langgam. Valerie.
Honestly, spider din. I'm going Team Spider.
Spider din. Okay. Final answer, JV again. Pagsipan. Something na ayaw mo makitang gumagapang o nakadapo sa nakasampay mong underwear. For the win, JV. Let's go. 3 seconds. Let's do it.
Spider! Spider! Spider, please! Top answer!
Sino nagsabi sa inyo ng langgam?
Oh my God!
Ikaw, no?
Pero binago ko na yung isip ko, Kuya Dom.
No.
Hindi na pala ako takot. Parang hindi na ako takot sa langgam.
Explain mo nga yung spider. You explain it.
Very good.
I-explain ko. Kasi pag may nakaganon po na spider. Pero pag may langgam, parang, ay, color black, mabait yung
Okay. Lorraine, dahil dyan, sabi mo, nandyan ba sa board ang spider?
Nandyan ba sa board ang spider? Dapat lang.
Oh my God! Feeling ko ahas yan.
Takot na po ulit ako sa langgam.
Lorraine,
Takot na ako sa langgam, Kuya Dom.
tingnan mo yung number 1.
So sorry, babe!
Anyway, ang ating final score, Miss World PH Queens, 428 points. Circle of Beauty, 55 points. Thank you, ladies. Very close, but you ladies were great. Salamat. Valerie, thank you.
Thank you.
JV, salamat. Mag-uwi pa rin kayo ng 50,000 pesos. Thank you. And, ito na, Asia. Okay, you've just won 100,000 pesos. Sino maglalaro sa Fast Money, Asia? It's gonna be Nikki and Gigi. Okay, eto na. Welcome back to Family Feud. Kanina ay nanalo ng 100,000 pesos ang Miss World PH Queens. At kasama natin si Nikki. Siya ang unang lalaban dito sa Fast Money. Ang goal nila ay makapag-uwi ng total cash prize of 200,000. Nikki, panalo ng 20,000 ang charity na tulog. Ano yun?
We're going for Pay Philippines.
Pave Philippines. Ano ang Pave Philippines? What does it mean?
So Pay Philippines supports those who are victims of abuse and general-based violence.
Okay. Thank you for that. Anyway, oras na para sa Fast Money. Give me 20 seconds on the clock, please. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, gaano ka kalakas kay Lord? Go.
10.
Bukod sa birthday, bakit nagbo-blow out ang isang tao?
Na-promote sa trabaho.
Fill in the blank. Fish, blank.
Fish and chips.
Hindi na dapat pinagtatrabaho sa bahay si Lola kapag ito ay anong age na?
70.
Name something na umiikot.
Trumpo.
Let's go, Nikki. On a scale of 1 to 10, gaano ka kalakas kay Lord? Ang sabi mo? 10. Ang sabi ng survey? Yes! Malakas ka talaga. Bukod sa birthday, bakit nagbo-blow out ang isang tao? Dahil na-promote siya. Ang sabi ng survey? Right. Fill in the blank, fish and chips. Survey? Hindi dapat pinagtatrabaho sa bahay si Lola kapag siya ay 70 years old. Ang sabi ng survey? Something na umiikot, sabi mo trumpo. Survey? Wow, Nikki, wow. 65 to go, Nikki. Balik na tayo. Welcome back, Gigi. How are you, Gigi?
I'm doing great.
Great?
Yeah.
Very good.
Excited.
Good news.
Yes.
Si Nikki ay nakakuha ng 135 points.
Wow!
65 to go.
Okay.
Kaya-kaya, di ba?
Yes. The pressure is on.
Now, you can do it. Kitang-kita na ngayon ang viewers ang sagot ni Nikki. Give me 25 seconds on the clock. Let's go, Gigi. Let's do it.
Okay.
On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, gaano ka kalakas kay Lord?
10.
Bukod sa 10.
9.
Bukod sa birthday, bakit nagbo-blow out ang isang tao?
Gender reveal.
Fill in the blank. Fish, blank.
Cake.
Hindi na dapat pinagtatrabaho sa bahay si Lola kapag ito ay ilang taon na.
60.
Name something na umiikot.
Disco ball.
Let's go, Gigi.
Oh my God.
On a scale of 1 to 10, Gigi, 10 being the highest, gaano ka kalakas kay Lord? Sabi mo 9. Ang sabi ng survey ay... Top answer, 10. Okay. Bukod sa birthday, ba't nagbo-blow out ang isang tao? Kasi may gender reveal. Ang sabi ng survey ay... Ang top answer ay na-promote.
Oh, okay.
Fill in the blank. Fish. Cake. Ang sabi ng survey ay... Fishball ang top answer. Fishball.
Fishbowl. Ah, okay.
Fishball. Okay. Hindi na dapat pinagtatrabaho sa bahay si Lola pag siya ay 60 years old, ang sabi ng survey.
Okay.
Ang top answer is 80. 80 years old. We need 36 more. Something na umiikot. Sabi mo ay disco ball. Ang sabi ng survey ay... Ang top answer ay trumpo. Anyway, congratulations, Gigi. Panalo pa rin naman kayo.
Yes.
Panalo pa rin kayo, Miss World PH Queens ng 100,000 pesos. Ladies. Salamat po, Pilipinas. Ako si Ding Dong Dantes. Araw-araw na maghahatid ng saya at papremyo. Kaya makihulap at manalo dito sa Family Feud.